I'm excited. So perfume. Oh my god, it doesn't smell like hair products. It actually smells like an old lady's perfume. Hello, my lovelies. I just picked up my mail, and as you can see, I am dropping everything everywhere. My BoxyCharm came today. Yes, there it is. Sorry. As you can tell by my appearance, I'm a little off today. Mostly it's just allergies. The allergies are so bad, I don't even have mascara on. And it's very rare for me not to have mascara on unless I'm planning to do like a makeup tutorial. But my eyebrows are done because nobody should leave the house when they have no eyebrows. Anyways, okay, some people can leave it, but mine are like anyway. Anyways, BoxyCharm it. BoxyCharm. I'm on so many antihistamines, it's not even funny. I was like, this is getting dull. Alright, so I don't think this is a Luxe. I think it's just a normal BoxyCharm. Yeah, it's my BoxyCharm for May. I'm really excited. And we have BoxyCharm Flourish. We're having a Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. If you notice, most of my boxes are skincare based because that's my main concern. I like to pamper my skin, and I don't get to use all the products because sometimes they have stuff I'm allergic to. But I like to take care of my skin, so it's really cool. So I'm looking forward to this Murad one. This seems to be our big ticket item. It is $74. There's KAD Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette. That one is normally $52. It's a new launch, so that's pretty cool. Lavish Essential Eye Collection. It looks like we get some brushes by Lavish. That one's normally $30. It's a new launch as well. And then we have a heat protectant mist for hair, which is lovely because I do use heat on my hair. It's by Drybar. It's hot toddy heat protectant. That's normally 27 degree or $27. Yeah, I read the note about it. Anyways. And then a lip gloss by Mellow Cosmetics that normally is $18. So let's pull these out. Here's the Murad Environmental Shield. Murad has good skincare products. So this is a step 3 of their daily regimen. It's a City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. So it looks like it's got like shea butter and stuff, jojoba. So a lot of nice, there's beeswax, a synthetic beeswax. So it's stuff to really hang on to your skin and add deep hydration. It's got some ginger. That's good. What I'm looking for. It has cucumber. I'm a little like I can't eat cucumber. But I think I should be fine. Oh, urea. We will not go on another tangent today about urea. We already did that on our last video, so we don't need to do that again. Some of the bigger skincare products definitely do have urea in them, and I'm not a huge fan of that. I do prefer to go as cruelty free as possible. So, but yeah, so we're gonna skip that one. I may still try it and use it since I have it, but I'm not a big fan of that. All right, so next thing we have is the Mellow Lip Gloss. Follow Mellow Cosmetics on Instagram. So let's get this open. Oh, that looks like a good color. Oh, that is a nice color. That would actually be a very lovely color for me. I think I'm going to try this in my kit though, because this looks very similar in color to the Soft Spoken that I just love for my brides. It's Soft Spoken by NYX. I did a whole thing on it yesterday. Anyways, I really like that one. So I think I will try this in my kit and see how this wears and how the clients like it. Price point is very different. I think the Soft Spoken by NYX is only like $7. This is $18. So Might replace it, might not. Most likely not. All right, Lavish Brushes. Oh, I love these colors. Those are fun. They're springy. It reminds me very much of my 70s, 80s. Let's see. They feel a little lightweight, kind of cheapy feeling. And not so see how long this is and see how the tip kind of rolls around, but when you try to get in there, it spreads out. It's a little weird flexibility. It's not firm enough to really get a good blend. See how it just really goes woo too much. So it's a little too flexible and a little too long. So I'm not a big fan of that one for a blending brush. This one, same thing, a little too flexible and soft. And this one might work. They're very long and very flexible. Not a huge fan of this. And this one, this would work as a little smudge under the eye, but you can't really use it on the eye because it's a little too firm. And this one, it's not very narrow. So see, let's see color-wise right there. See, it's not super narrow. So to do a really sharp fine liner would be a little difficult, but texture of the liner brush is good. So 1 out of 5, not so great. So these ones I'll probably just give away. Not going in my kit at all. Brushes are subjective though. What I love, you may not, and what I hate, you may love. So I'm not going to judge. If other people like these, then that's cool. Nothing wrong with that, but I think they're a waste. Hot Toddy Before Ironing Heat Protectant Mist by Drybar. This is cool. I am going to try this on my hair at home because I do like to run a heat protectant through it because I am still trying to grow it a little longer. And you should always protect your hair. So I'm very excited about that. Comes out like a hairspray. So it's not going to be like as heavy on your hair, and that's kind of nice. So it should burn off a lot easier and not leave your hair oily. It is very perfumey. Yeah, I just sprayed it and it's super perfumey. That's not going to be used on my hair. Ugh, yeah, that's super. They've added a lot of fragrance to that. Ugh, now my throat is itchy. This is not a good day to try fragrances with my allergies this bad. If any of you are in the Sacramento Valley area, Northern California, I'm sure there's other places like this, but right now we're being hit really hard with allergies. And every spring we go through like a 2-week stage where everyone is like losing their hearing and their voices and everyone feels like crap from allergies. So that's kind of what's going on. All right, so this one I'm excited. So perfume. Oh my god, it doesn't smell like hair products. It actually smells like an old lady's perfume. My allergies are just terrible right now. So pardon me while I take an antihistamine. Because, ew. Oh, hopefully that kicks in quick because I'm all itchy. Alright, so this is the KAD Eyeshadow Palette. Boo, boo, boo. I like the packaging. On one side it's in white, on one side it's in black. I'm a sucker for good packaging for my eyeshadow. I didn't realize I was, but I am. Very nice and sleek. Very cute. Ooh, these are really pretty colors. Look at that. I will have to do a review. It's got an okay brow bone color. It's a little peachy orangey, so it may not go with all complexions. And I think for your very light-skinned people, it might be a little too dark, so it's not going to brighten up enough. But if you are a little darker up to fairly dark, this would be good. There is no black in it, but there is a nice dark brown. There's a nice little mix of matte shadows as well as shimmers, and so that's really nice. So I am looking forward to trying this. It doesn't swatch really great. It's okay, but it's not super pigment. But a lot of times swatching doesn't give you a good guess. You have to kind of put it on the eyes and pack it and play with it to see if it's going to really be good. Because some things I've tried that look super pigmented were a hot mess to work with. So we'll see. So far, it's a little light in pigment. But other than that, I think this will be good to try out. This one I definitely want to try out in my kit. The skincare items, the brushes I'm giving away. So that'll go in my, that's my giveaway pile. And these guys are going to go in my demo pile. Ugh, demo pile. And there we go. So unless you want to see me open my mail, that's about it. So until next time, everyone, I will talk to you later.